Check it out, everyone. Ooh, this flies very, very far. Should I guess what this is now? It's right here. Hold the paper airplane right here. Throw it straight. Wow, straight here. Straight here. Let throw it one more time and check it out. Ooh. Wow, an awesome paper airplane. Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. This paper airplane is an upgraded version of one of my paper airplane designs. Can you guess what plane is it? These paper airplanes can be folded very easily. You just need to have a piece of US letter size paper. If you do not have US letter size paper, you can use A4 paper. So the first step is to fold the paper in half this way. When you fold the paper in half, make sure that all edges are lined up perfectly. And then you can just press down to create the center crease. After you create the center crease, open the paper, flatten it down again. Start from the upper edge, fold both sides to the center crease. Let's start with this side first. Do not fold straight to the center crease, leave a small gap and repeat the same fold for the other side. Fold slowly and then press the paper down, and now you have a perfect triangle shape. After you finish this step, let's start from the upper part. You see the triangle shape, fold straight down. This is very easy fold, so just fold down, press the paper. Next step, let's start from this part of the paper, hold it up, flip it over, and start from the upper edge again. Fold both sides to the center crease. Again, leave a small gap between the edge and the center crease. Once you finish the first side of the paper, repeat the same fold for the other side. And now press the paper down. This is very simple. Next, at this edge, I'll fold it straight down to the below edge. You can see how I do here. I press this down, adjust it a little bit, and I repeat the same fold for the other side. Hold the paper up, pull it up, and then press it down. That's how you can match the edges together. Now it looks fine. You can adjust the paper. If there is any mismatch, adjust it. Next step, flip the paper over. And now that you have a very cool shape already, right? I'll fold this part of the paper up and I'll show you the next step right now. I'll just adjust the paper and fold straight up. I can see this corner and the other corner. I'll use both corners as a reference. Press down the paper. And now I can flip the paper over. I will start from the edge of the paper. I flip it here so to show you what it looks like. But then, now let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. This is very easy, right? When you hold the paper up, the first layer of the paper, fold it to the center crease. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the other side. There's the simple fold. There's no difficulty here. So press the paper down. Now you have a very cool shape of the paper. It looks nice. You can flip it over, adjust it, or you can just place the paper like this and fold the paper in half. So let's fold the paper in half now. If you fold it toward the other side, the planes may not fly well. You can see that it's popped out, so we need to fold it in half the opposite way. So let's flatten the paper down and fold it in half. Now fold the paper in half, adjust the center crease, press it down a little bit and start from this upper edge right here, fold it straight toward the other edge to create a wing. You finish the first wing, repeat the same fold for the second wing. This is very easy step. So flip the paper over, fold this side of the paper down to create a second wing. Make sure that all edges are lined up. If it's not lined up, the plane may not fly far. So when you are sure that all edges are lined up, open the wings. So now you can see the two wings and a very cool part on the top here, right? We spend a lot of time to create the plane, to adjust the plane, to create the top part of the plane. What is this for? To make a cool looking paper airplane. You can see this part right here is popped off a little bit. It doesn't look nice, but we're not going to make a long distance paper airplane, so just adjust the paper. You can see the wings. We need to enhance the strength of the wings, otherwise it will not fly far, right? So adjust it a little bit, fold it down this way. And the cool thing about folding a paper is that I can fold it curve. So I can curve the paper a little bit when I fold it down. And you can see the distance at the very end is about 3/4 of an inch. Once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. I press the paper down and I adjust it a little bit. You can see that the edge of the wings curve a little bit. So I'll repeat the same fold for the other side. I'll adjust it a little bit, and again you can see that this is about 3/4 of an inch. So press it down. Now I enhance the edge of the wing. Make sure that you do not fold it backward, because once you adjust it by fold it backward, it will no longer stay stable. So be careful when you fold the paper airplane. Next step, I will hold the paper airplane up and show you how to fold the stabilizers to make it look nice. We spent so much time to make this paper airplane. This is the final, very much final steps to enhance the plane. So from this edge, fold straight up to create the stabilizer. We will create two stabilizers, one on the left and one on the right. So just fold like I'm doing right now. Adjust the stabilizers a little bit, make it straight up, perpendicular with the surface of the wing. Alright everyone, so after finishing the paper airplane, you will need a few more steps to have the plane fly. So let me fold the paper in half this way and show you the next steps. This is very easy. After you make sure that all edges are lined up, let's fold these wings up a bit to create the stabilizers. We need the stabilizers so that the plane will not crash. So first of all, let's fold this part of the paper up like this. The distance here is about 1/4 of an inch. You can just play around with it. It doesn't need to be exact. And then you flip the paper over, fold the same way. So just fold it up to create a fourth stabilizers. So this paper airplane has not one or two stabilizers, but four. So the two on the body here, the two on the wings. And also, to ensure that the plane will fly, you need to create the elevators. This is very important that you make a huge big elevators at the end. Why do I make a huge elevators at the end at first? That way I can control the paper airplanes. I can throw it to see how it's flying. If it doesn't fly up, I can fold even more. If it's fly too much up and then it doesn't fly far, I will adjust it a little bit. That's why I can control the paper airplane and see how it flies. Also, if the plane flies too much toward the left, you can fold these elevators up a bit toward the right, and then fold this stabilizer a little bit further. It will have the plane fly more to the right. So vice versa. If it's fly too much toward the right, you can adjust to have it fly more to the left. So this is very simple. Just play with the stabilizers. Also the stabilizer in the central here, like in the body part, these are cool, nice looking, but also it have a strong impact to how the plane fly. Make sure that it's parallel with the central of the plane, otherwise it won't fly very far because it may make your plane crash. So more stabilizers look better, but also you need to learn how to control the paper airplane. And that is it everyone. This is a new paper airplane, and I hope you guys enjoyed making the paper airplane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and click on the bell button for the latest tutorial. and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.